Hello my friends, welcome back to Videos of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show how to install Android TV to any USB drive you have, and you can use it anytime you want to watch TV in your PC by plugging it to your laptop. So what you're going to do, open the USB drive. So you can see I'm just checking out, it's about 32 gigabytes. I'm just going to close everything. Once you got the USB drive, open the browser and just type here rufus, and when we got the result from the official website, you can just download it by clicking on the first link you got here on this page, and here you can see my download is start. And once it has been finished, I will show you the rest of the setup, how we can just make a USB drive Android TV. So I'm just going to check out for downloads. You can see I got my reviews. I'm just going to open it, and you have to find out Android TV. You can just check it out from the official websites, and I already downloaded the setup, so I'm just gonna add it by clicking on open, and here you can see it just has been ready. Just click on start and click on OK and OK again, and it will take a little bit of time. Once it has been, now we're gonna start the next setup. I'm gonna close this one. Just open your USB drive in your PC, and then there's one more setup. You just have to extract this data to your USB drive by clicking on extract all and choosing your USB drive, and select a folder, go extract them all. Once it has been done, you can see we have the file in data which is extracted in our USB drive, and we can delete this folder. So click to delete it and exit from your USB drive and your PC, because your USB drive is ready as an Android TV. So plug it in your PC, turn it off, and use your F12 to get in boot menu. And here you can see I got my Android TV. Just click to enter to continue your setup. And here you can see we got the Google TV screen in our PC, which is full screen. And we're gonna finish up this startup setup of our Google TV by choosing language, connecting your TV to Wi-Fi. Then we're gonna check out for the menus and what we can do here on our PC with Google or Android TV. Here we can see we got the Android TV in our PC ready, and we can just sign up to our Gmail account, and so we can install any application from the Play Store. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.